Welcome back, guys. So it's again cloudy, but this time we're not playing the same game. But this is Bloody Ragdoll. But actually, yeah. So wait, let me just. Wait. What the frick I did? Run! You're dead. Why is this guy beautiful? Look at this. Wow. What the? Matter of fact, I literally got killed by a stupid piece of shit, bro. Thought I okay. Who's this little guy? Ooh. Sorry. Damn. This is the wrong person. I'm with the wrong person. Let me out. Wait, is there another house? Well, let me get out. Get out. Oh no. I'm jumping over here. Let me jump. Oh shit, this Maddie Milky. Run. Shit. Wait, where is Maddie? Is that a new box? Bro. But why there's no escape? Damn, no! Me too. No. I have to kill myself for this. Well, look at me. And finally caught me. Okay, whatever. What is this? House, wow. Bro, I could barely hear shit, bro. No, not the military guy again. Let me not pass. What the hell? Let me straight there. No! No. Get out, brick! Oh shit. But it's rain. Let me just. Oh shit. I'm gonna. Bro, I could barely hear shit, but this one, I don't think so. It'll hurt my ear. Yep. Skip. Alright, let's teleport to play. Let's see. Okay, that's kind of weird. Oh, no. Chill. Well, am I in space or something? Okay, good. The fact that I'm literally almost... Oh, shit. Okay. Landing off. In 3, 2, 1. Go! Okay, this thing at least won't hear. What's Bo doing a diddy dance? Oh no, Bo is doing a diddy dance. Bro, this is so sus. Wait a minute, where are we landing? Where are we landing? Where are we landing? Bro, where are we landing? Yo, what is it, bro? What is it? What is it? What is it, bro? What is it? Ooh. What? Bro, I'm in space. Oh my god! Oh, my head might be good. What is it? Hey bro, it's 8th April, it's my birthday, celebrate my birthday. I'm gonna become 13 this year. Oh shh. Oh. Bro, I could barely say shit. But how are you still smiling when you're almost dead? Okay, I mean, owie! Bro, I just got headshotted. Okay, what? Owie! Ow! Owie! Bro! I'm not dying on purpose. What do he? But you could see blood on my head. You could see blood on my head, and you could see blood on my sunglasses. My sunglasses might be broken right now. Damn, I must be dead. No! What the? Is that Steve? I don't know. Or just simply Ragdoll. Well, whatever this thing is. What the? Bro, what the? Boys, where is this guy? How are you still smiling, bro? What is mountain? Oh, oh shit. Bro, my character must be cooked right now. Bro, I'm sorry, Roblox character, but I didn't mean to do this. Bro. Well, my hand just cleaned the blood from my mouth. Okay, what is that? Let's just see the... Okay, what do we... Bro, I swear this literally blood... Oh wow, all that blood just dried. Blinky. Oh yes, Diddy. Oh, it's a market or something. This is slow motion. Bloody Ragdoll. Bro, you stupid! Okay. Okay, so this time I'm going to spawn in the plane, as you can know. But this time if I get any blood splatters, well, that'll be a trans station. Good luck. Bro, I just changed my clothes to what? Bro, what's in your booty? I think bro's sleeping. But why I'm lagging? Oh! Bro, I literally don't have anything to say right now. Bro, what the hell? Okay, the fact that my... Yikes! Oh, bro. The fact that I just lost one of my legs. Well, good luck. Wait, how am I still stuck? Okay, what else? This thing, I got a free core blocks. Yeah. Okay. Well, before I change into a noob, I have to go the pink glitch. Oh shit, wrong one. Oh my! I could barely see shit. Where is this one? Okay, this is the bus. Okay, now I know. Okay, so oh wait, what? Look at the dog. I mean, that's the second one of you. Change. Dummy. Hold up a minute. Start development. Okay. So time to go to. Oh, shit, bro! How did I already got blood on my left leg? Oh shit, bro. There you go. Bro, I kind of looks very good. No kidding. Okay, since I'm in a plane, right? 3, 2, 1. What the f? Okay, that's it. Bro, I'm wiggling my legs, bro. I'm clapping my legs. Like, stop shouting like a damn maniac. It's like you're about to vomit. Wait a minute. Watch out. Owie, pataluti. Okay. Wait a minute. Jeez. Oh shit. What the? Oh, Roxy Cola? Oh shit. Well, let me get one at least. Oh, sorry. Oh, this is really hard. Oh, the bad news is I don't even have one. Oh well. Such a coincidence. I'm the only new that is very lucky. What the? Oh man, that was correct. Let's look at the second version of you. Okay. Well, I'm too scared. Why is my screen shaking? Should I? Oh, my back. Wow! Okay, that's it. But you put my name is Bloody Ragdoll. Most of the people think I'm not the true one. But I want some more blocks equal. There you go, noob. Is this a pool? Oh wait, what is a freaking pool? Oh shit. Sorry. Let me have Coca-Cola. Oh, there's water over there. Damn, the water looks very realistic. Alright. Oh. But I just took a bath and all the blood went. Oh, oh shit. Let's see what we got here. Oh shit. I think my character's dead. What? But character looks like a dead pig, bro. I'm just gonna get myself. What? Just. Oh shit. Oh no. What is that? A mixer? Oh shit. Shit, no! Oh man, what the f... No! Yikes. What the... Oh shit. Bro. Just passing my own time. Just literally lost my freaking legs. What the? Oh, you know what? I'm just changing my avatar back. Oh, bro. I'm just looking up. Okay, well, we are back to... No, what the? Oh shit! Shit! Oh shit! I'll just. Get out! Oh. Get on. Bro, I just. Spawner. Oh shit. No! What the? Wow, look at the neon in here. Oh shit. Ouch. Yikes. New order. Onto my booty. No, no. Bro, what the frick, bro? There. What about my headshot? Onto my booty. I jump. Flying to space. No, 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 no. Oh, shit. No, 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 no. Oh, sheesh. Oh, no, no. Yikes. Why is showing the attitude -1? See ya. Put it up. Let me just get a drink. But where did Brookie even come from? Take this. Hello. Bro, he just took my seat. Whatever. So, it just hold up. There we go. Wait, did I got this correct? Hold up, let me stand beside her for a good pose. Sorry if I'm making you a little uncomfortable, but oh shit, wait a minute, a little far. Ooh. Gosh. Let's see, that's so funny. Oh, shit! I'm cooked. Okay. Hold up. But let me save. Oops. Okay, I saved it. Oh, another goal. 18 monster. But I need to alt. Oh shit. My full body feeling is dead. Meanwhile, my legs clapping. So I got this guy shouting like a damn maniac. Oh. Oh shit, that looks saved. What is it? What is it? Boom! Scooby-Dooby. Oh well. I'll have to punk you about onto my booty. Oh well. That's the last one. We look like a damn grandpa. Oh shit. No. There we go. This is not perfect. Now let me take a photo. Let's get this soon. Okay, don't have to delete it. What the? What? Oh, shit. Nice. Okay, guys. Let's open. Okay, another video. And bye.